Landscape lighting is the perfect way to enhance functionality and improve security of your outdoor living space. Where should landscape lighting be installed? Landscape lighting placement varies depending on the techniques utilized. Highlighting at the base of an outdoor fixture or structure. Washing a few feet away at an indirect angle to a wall or a shrub. Uplighting low at the base, similar to washing, but with more direct lighting. Downlighting, bright and fixed from a soffit, trellis, or hardscape feature. Path lighting, often staggered to illuminate walkways, steps, or obstacles. In-grade, often at the base of a wall or hardscape for accent and shadowing. Before beginning a landscape lighting project, it's essential to understand how much the project will cost. The amount of money you spend on a landscape lighting project may vary depending on several factors. The cost of professional landscape lighting installation goes far beyond the materials and labor alone. Some factors that may affect the cost of your installation are the quality of the light fixtures installed. Installing lights on outdoor structures such as pergolas or decks. The size of your landscape area. Power source and the size of transformer required. The area and location of your lighting installation will directly impact costs as well. The more light fixtures installed or the larger the area being lit can impact your costs significantly.